Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario and the National Capital Region at 10:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, August 30th, 2013. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County, and Chatham, Kent, Rondo Park. A severe thunderstorm watch is ended for Sarnia, Petrolia, Western Lambton County, and Watford, Pinery Park, Eastern Lambton County. Environment Canada has issued squall watch for